Dreaming of a time and place where you and I remain the best of friends, even after all this ends. Can we pretend? I'm on my back again. It's seeming more and more like all we ever do is see how far it bends before it breaks in half, and then we bend it back again. Guess I got caught in the middle of it. Yes, I've been taught, got a little of it in my blood. In my blood. Memories burn like a forest fire. Heavy rain turns any funeral prior to mine. In the flood. When I was old, I was a sailor on an open sea. But now I'm underwater, and my skin is pale, and it should ever be. I'm watching movies back to back in black and white. I never seen anybody do it like I do it any better. Been going over you, I'm overdue for new endeavors. Nobody love me like I'm lonely and I don't know whether you'd really like it in the limelight. You'd sympathize with all the bad guys. I'm still a victim in my own right, but I'm a villain in my own life. Yeah. When I was older, I was a sailor on an open sea.
This is Rukmini Kalimaki. I cover the Islamic State for the New York Times. When I write a story and my dateline is Bahus, Syria, that means that I, as a New York Times reporter, was standing on the edges of the last little island of ISIS-controlled territory in an area that is quite dangerous. So when I get that message on Twitter or by email from grateful readers who say, "Thank you so much for your work. How can I support it?" My answer to them is subscribe to the New York Times. It's those subscriptions that pay for the enormous investment that it takes to be able to bring you that story.
Help me polarize, help me down. Those stairs is where I'll be on all my problems. Help me polarize, help me out. My friends and I, we got a lot of problems. You know where I'm coming from, though I am running to you. All I feel is tonight, tonight, tonight. You. I wanted to be a better brother, better son. Wanted to be a better adversary to the evil I have done to show to the one I love. But tonight, tonight, tonight. You. Help me polarize, help me down. Those stairs is where I'm beyond all my problems. Help me polarize, help me out. My friends and I, we got a lot of problems. Polarizes, taking your disguises, separating them, splitting them up from wrong and right. It's deciding where to die and deciding where to fight. Tonight, tonight, tonight. Oh. I wanted to be a better brother, better son. Wanted to be a better adversary to the evil I have done to show to the one I love. But tonight. think I lost my halo. I don't know where you are. You'll have to come and find me. Domingo and fuego. I think I lost my halo. I don't know where you are. You'll have to come and find me. I wanted to be a better brother, better son. Be a better brother, better son.
I can't handle these pressures. All I can say is this stress hurts. Things are supposed to get better. I just need to put myself first. I'm always trying my hardest not to pick myself apart. This energy's killing my vibes now. Sometimes I just wanna drown out all of the thoughts in my mind. Too much going on at the same time. I wish it would stop and I've tried, but life just sucks and we all die. That's just reality. Yeah, don't lie to me. Yeah, I'm fucked up, but I don't wanna be. I wonder if I'm good enough, or maybe I've just had too much to drink, to smoke, to swallow. I'm drowning up my sorrows. There's rules I'll never follow. Pretend there's no tomorrow. I wish there was no tomorrow. But I'm empty inside. Yeah, I'm empty inside. And I don't wanna live, but I'm too scared to die. Yeah, I'm empty inside. I just don't feel alive. And I don't wanna live, but I'm too scared to die. Wish I could erase my memories so I can stop feeling so empty. I wish this shit wasn't so tempting, but it's hard to resist when there's plenty of things I could do to fuck me up. I wanna let go, but I'm feeling so stuck. So all I can do is fill up my cup and sit here alone, hoping no one disrupts. That's just reality. Yeah, don't lie to me. Yeah, I'm fucked up, but I don't wanna be. I wonder if I'm good enough, or maybe I've just had too much to drink, to smoke, to swallow. I'm drowning up my sorrows. The rules I'll never follow. Pretend there's no tomorrow. I wish there was no tomorrow. But I'm empty inside. Yeah, I'm empty inside. And I don't wanna live, but I'm too scared to die. Yeah, I'm empty inside. I just don't feel alive. And I don't wanna live, but I'm too scared to die. My body's shaking, my head is aching. It feels like my heart is breaking. My body's shaking, my head is aching. I can't fix this mess I'm making. But I'm empty inside, yeah, I'm empty inside. And I don't wanna live, but I'm too scared to die. Yeah, I'm empty inside, I just don't feel alive. And I don't wanna live, but I'm too scared to die.
The Chevy All-Star Open House is here, and it's time to discover Chevy vehicles your way. Browse the showroom, honk the horn, pop the liftgate, fold the seats, lift the hood, kick the tires, test the modes, feel the power, see the deals. With vehicles like the all-new Silverado, Equinox, and the Malibu, it's no wonder people are switching to Chevy. And with the deals we've got on our All-Star lineup, you might be next. Join us at the Chevy All-Star Open House and open the door to a new Chevy. Find new roads at your local Chevy dealer.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land, just float there. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts. Flames alert the trees, spread to fallen leaves. Now they're wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love when I dream of dying? I never feel so loved. I've been having dreams, splashing in the summer street, tripping, I fall in. I wanted it to happen. My body turns to ice, crushing weight of paradise. Solid block of gold, lying in the cold. I feel right. Wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love when I dream of dying? I never feel so loved. Wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love when I dream of dying?
take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. You left me falling and landing inside my grave. I know that you want me dead. I take prescriptions to make me feel okay. I know it's all in my head. I have these lucid dreams where I can't move a thing, thinking of you in my bed. You were my everything, thoughts of a wedding ring. Now I'm just better off dead. I'll do it over again. I didn't want it to end. Now watch it blow in the wind. I should've listened to my friends. Leave this shit in the past, but I wanted to last. You were made out of plastic, fake. I was tangled up in your drastic ways. Who knew evil girls had the prettiest face? You gave me a heart that was full of mistakes. I gave you my heart and you made heartbreak. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my heart break again. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. Yeah, I'd rather be a lover than a fighter. Cause all my life I've been fighting. Never felt a feeling of comfort. All this time I've been hiding, and I never had someone to come on. Oh, nah, I'm so used to shit. Love only left me alone, but I'm at one with the silence. I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been quiet for too long. I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been silent for too long. I've been quiet for too long. I've been quiet for too long. I found peace in your vibes. Can't show But I'm not asking for favors. My whole life I feel like a burden. I think too much and I hate it. I'm so used to being in the wrong. I'm tired of caring. Love never gave me a home. So I sit here in the silence. I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been quiet for too long. I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been silent for too long.
The all-you-can-eat crystals and fries is back and better than ever. So if you're hungry for crystals and you know you want a lot of them, but you don't know how many, come on into Crystals now. Because from 6 a.m. to midnight, we've got all-you-can-eat crystals and fries for just $5.99 every day. That's right, every day of the week. Dine in and get as many crystals and fries as you can handle for only $5.99. How about that? Live a little. Copyright 2019, The Crystal Company. All rights reserved at participating locations only.
Found you when your heart was broke. I filled your cup until it overflowed. Took it so far to keep you close. I was afraid to leave you on your own. I said I'd catch you if you fall. And if they laugh, then fuck 'em all. And then I got you off your knees, put you right back on your feet, just so you could take advantage of me. Tell me how's it feel, sitting up there, feeling so high, but too far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you up there. Name in the sky, does it ever get lonely? Thinking you could live without me. Thinking you could live without me. Maybe I'm the one who put you up there. I don't know why. Thinking you could live without me. Live without me. Maybe I'm the one who put you up there. I don't know why. Gave love about 100 tries, just running from the demons in your mind. Then I took yours and made them mine. I didn't notice cause my love was blind. Said I'd catch you if you fall. And if they laugh, then fuck 'em all. And then I got you off your knees, put you right back on your feet, just so you could take advantage of me. Tell me how's it feel, sitting up there, feeling so high, but too far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you up there. Name in the sky, does it ever get lonely? Thinking you could live without me. Thinking you could live without me. Maybe I'm the one who put you up there. I don't know why. Thinking you could live without me. Live without me. Maybe I'm the one who put you up there. I don't know why. Yeah. You don't have to say just what you did. I already know. I had to go and find out from them. So tell me how's it feel? Tell me how's it feel, sitting up there, feeling so high, but too far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you up there.
I look up from the ground to see your sad and teary eyes. You look away from me, and I see there's something you're trying to hide. And I reach for your hand, but it's cold. You pull away again, and I wonder what's on your mind. And then you say to me you made a dumb mistake. You start to tremble and your voice begins to break. You say the cigarettes on the counter weren't your friends, they were my mates. And I feel the color draining from my face. And my friend said, I know you love her, but it's over, mate. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. Let her go, it'll be alright. So I still look back at all the messages you'd sent, and I know it wasn't right, but it was fucking with my head. And everything deleted like the past year was gone. And when I touched your face I could tell you're moving on. But it's not the fact that you kissed him yesterday, it's the feeling of betrayal that I just can't seem to shake. And everything I know tells me that I should walk away, but I just wanna stay. And my friend said, I know you love her, but it's over, mate. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. Let her go, it'll be okay. It's gonna hurt for a bit of time. So bottoms up, let's forget tonight. You find another and you'll be just fine. Let her go. Nothing heals the past like time, and they can't steal the love you're born to find. But nothing heals the past like time, and they can't steal the love you're born to find. I know you love her, but it's over, mate. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. Let her go, it'll be okay. It's gonna hurt for a bit of time. So bottoms up, let's forget tonight. You find another and you'll be just fine. Let her go, it'll be alright. 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 Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you amazing. But nothing can compare the way you naked. Now we're backward and cement, he got you fed. Saying you the one for me, I need to face it. Started when we were younger. Swear to God that I loved her. Sorry that your mom found out. Guess that we just really had the thunder. Ain't nobody else that I be under. Beautiful, beautiful life right now. Beautiful, beautiful night right now. No, no, no. Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that dress fall off you is amazing. Love a miracle, a beautiful creation. Baby, come a little closer, let me taste it. You came a little closer, now you shaking. Never ever gonna mislead you. Don't believe the lies they feed you. Stop and stare like a sculpture, painted in
Professional painters used to spend more time sanding some walls than painting them, but that was before Pro PPG Ultra Hide paint at the Home Depot. Ultra Hide covers existing wall imperfections fast for smooth finishes and easier touch-ups, now in a lot less time. So even if your walls aren't perfect, at least your paint job can be. Pro PPG Ultra Hide paint in 5-gallon buckets starting at only $70.98, exclusively at the Home Depot. More saving, more doing. US only, see store for details.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much. But it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I die for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignore them still. All these questions, they're falling. Like, who would you live for? Who would you die for? And would you ever kill? Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I've been thinking too much. 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 Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time. Taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me.
Can you blow my whistle, baby? Whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby? Whistle, baby. Here we go. Look, I'm betting you like people, and I'm betting you love freak mode, and I'm betting you like girls to give love to girls and stroke your little ego. I bet you I'm guilty, your honor. That's just how we live in my baby, whistle, baby. Here we go. Whistle, baby, whistle, baby. Whistle, baby, whistle, baby. Whistle, baby, whistle, baby. It's like everywhere I go, my whistle ready to blow. Shawty don't even know she can get in it for the low. Told me she not a pro, it's okay, it's under control. Show me soprano, cause girl you can handle. Baby with stars, so then you come up in park clothes. Girl I'm new, so man, my Bugatti the same nose. Show me your perfect pitch, you got it, my banjo. Talented with your lips like you blew out a candle. So I'm using, know you can make it whistle with the music. Hope you ain't got no issue, you can do it. Even if it's no fish, you never lose it. Can you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby, here we go. Whistle, baby, whistle, baby. Whistle, baby, whistle, baby. Go on, girl, you can twerk it. Let me see you whistle while you work it. I'ma lay back, don't stop it. Cause I love it how you drop it, drop it, drop it on me. Yeah, tryna let that whistle blow. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, baby, make that whistle blow. Oh, oh. Can you blow my whistle, baby? Whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby? Whistle, baby. Here we go.
She told me that she loved me by the water fountain. She told me that she loved me and she didn't love him. And that was really lovely cause it was innocent. But now she's got a cup with something else in it. It's getting kinda blurry at 10:15. And he was in a hurry to be touching her skin. She's feeling kinda dirty when she's dancing with him, forgetting what she told me by the water fountain. Now he's grabbing her hips and pulling her in, kissing her lips and whispering in her ear. And she knows that she shouldn't listen, and that she should be with me by the water fountain. She couldn't be at home in the nighttime because it made her feel alone. But at that time she was too young. I was too young. I should have built a home with a fountain for us. The moment that she told me that she was in love, too young. I was too young. Too young. Too young. Too young. And if she ever goes back to the water fountain, the handle will be broken and the rust set in. But my hand, it will be open and I'll try to fix it. My heart, it will be open and I'll try to give it. Now I'm grabbing her hips and pulling her in, kissing her lips and whispering in her ear. And I know that it's only a wish, and that we're not standing by the water fountain. Too young, too young, too young, young. She couldn't be at home in the nighttime because it made her feel alone. But at that time she was too young. fountain for us. The moment that she told me that she was in love, too young. I was too young. Too young. Too young. Too young. For us, the moment that she told me that she was in love, too young. I was too
Look at you. And you're off. Out to win the world over with that humble confidence and the way you take charge. Know how I know? You just filled up a Texaco. You know, with Texaco with Techron, your engine gets unbeatable cleaning power, and you get unbeatable gas mileage. Prove it, unbeatable gas mileage. So no matter what you're driving, it helps your car perform its best. Texaco with Techron. Driving performance.
My name is Alex. I'm a lead technician at Firestone Complete Auto Care. Fixing cars was always natural to me, and as a matter of fact, I still have a lot of my father's old tools. They instilled a work ethic and always doing the job right.
For maintenance, repairs, and tires, come in to Firestone Complete Auto Care.
Welcome to my dark side. Welcome to my dark side. It's gonna be a long night. Oh, love. Welcome to my darkness. I've been here a while, clouding up the sunlight, hurting